Hey guys, I am making quick, easy family dinner. I am making chicken fajitas. So, big family favorite here in this house. I'm going to use, I have a couple of peppers. I do have a red onion. I don't know where it's gone now. I do have a red onion somewhere. I'm going to use that too. But that's the only peppers I have, so I'm going to use a bit of sweet potato. And I'm going to use a bit of some kale. I'm going to throw that in as well. Some green onions, so a little bit off pieced there with the fajitas. So I'm going to chop and prepare all the chicken and the veg and pop it in my pot. And then we're going to make our sauce with ground cumin, smoked paprika, one of my favorite, some oil, some garlic, and a bit of salt and pepper. Okay, so I'm going to try speeding this up now so you don't have to sit there and watch this for forever. I don't know, can I do that? Okay, so guys, I hope you're not dizzy after watching that. So we have all our veggies and our chicken in here. And we have...
Can I eat it raw?
No, you can't eat it raw, sweetheart. We have oil and cumin and cheese ready. So
avocado is not ready.
Yep. So we've oil, cumin, smoked paprika. Oh yeah, we'll use that in a minute. Will you hang on a sec? And garlic. So that is ready now to cook. So I know that took us like 35 seconds to do it on the video, but in reality it takes about
5 minutes.
10 minutes to get all that veggies prepped. So that's ready to go on the stove now. So we're going to put that on to cook with my lovely assistant chef here, Charlie.
So, hold that one. So, this is not working. So,
I think you did the wrong one.
I know. Back. Ooh.
Oh, explosion. Okay, so all that we've left to do now is we're going to cook that down. Obviously cook everything through, the chicken and all the veggies through. We're going to get our guacamole ready. And we have some sour cream. We're using these wraps from Fitzgerald's, and I will show you what it's like when everything's done. So literally, guys, it takes 10 or 15 minutes to prep. It takes about 5 or 10 minutes to cook. And yeah, loaded with veggies. Now I know it's not a typical
you don't always have to do with veggies, Mom.
chicken fajita mix. I've thrown some, got a bit off piece with the vegetables, but so what? So what? Okay, what do you think, Charlie? My sous chef here. Yeah, you might put away the fire. Okay, so we'll show you the finished product soon. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, guys, so our fajita is ready. Our fajita mixture is ready.
I have my glass of water.
If I
don't like it, I can...
If you don't like it. Cheek.
But you put new things in, I don't know.
Yeah, I've thrown some coriander in there. Okay, thanks, Charlie. We have our guacamole. So
I don't use guacamole or...
We just mashed up some avocados with some coriander and some smoked paprika.
That's my wrap.
This is his wrap, so Charlie's going to make up his own.
No, I don't want that.
We got our sour cream.
I'm going to take a spoonful.
Okay. Okay, so bring your plate over here. So
I need another one.
Yeah, so big favourite in this house, isn't it, Charlie? One of your favourite dinners?
You messed it up.
I messed it up. Why?
Put too much veggies in it.
Too much veggies in. Okay, you're good entertainment, Charlie.
That's
And now we're going with, what are you going with next?
Cheese.
Some cheese. So another great thing about this is that the kids can just help themselves, so they can take bits and pieces that they like or don't like, as Charlie's doing. So he doesn't like guacamole and have any sour cream? No sour cream. And there we go, Charlie's a pro at wrapping them up with this. So there we go. Okay, go for a big bite. Good?
Rappy.
Rappy. First bit is rappy.
I only got the wrap. So.
You only got the wrap, okay? Let's get a bit of... I'm gonna have a bit of chicken.
Nice.
Yeah, good. There you go. Easy chicken fajitas, guys.
Quality.
I'll be doing that in my Easy Family Dinners. A 6-week course starting next week if you want to sign your kids up for it. You can have them like Charlie eating the fajitas that they've just made. Goodbye for me.
Peace out, boy.